Welcome back to my channel where we turn small seeds into big, beautiful gardens. Today we're diving into one of my favorite topics, seedlings to start in July for a vibrant fall harvest. Can you believe it? Even though it's hot outside, now is the perfect time to start thinking about your fall garden. But wait, don't click away just yet. I promise you, this isn't about being a super expert gardener. Whether you're a seasoned green thumb or just starting out, I'll show you some easy peasy plants that you can start now for a bountiful fall harvest. Hey, let's jump in. First up, we have spinach. Spinach is a cool weather lover, and starting it in July means you'll have fresh, tender leaves ready just in time for those crisp fall salads. Here's the trick. Plant them in a spot with a bit of shade to keep them from wilting in the summer heat. And trust me, spinach is super easy to grow from seeds. You'll see sprouts in just a few days. Just sprinkle the seeds lightly over the soil, cover them up, give them a good watering, and watch the magic happen. They're fast growers, and you'll be enjoying your own homegrown spinach in no time. Next on our list is broccoli. Now, you might think broccoli is a bit tricky, but it's actually quite forgiving. Starting it in July gives it plenty of time to grow strong before the cool weather hits. Plus, homegrown broccoli is so much tastier than store-bought. Trust me, once you've tried it, you'll never go back. When transplanting broccoli, make sure to give each seedling enough space to spread out. They like to have room to breathe and grow. And remember, a little patience goes a long way. You'll be harvesting those delicious green heads before you know it. Okay, let's talk about carrots. These guys are perfect for fall because they actually get sweeter with a bit of frost. You can start them now and enjoy super sweet, crunchy carrots all the way through fall. And the best part, carrots can be grown in containers or directly in the ground, so they're perfect for any garden setup. When planting carrots, the key is spacing. You don't want them too close together or they'll compete for space and nutrients. Just a little planning here will give you those picture-perfect carrots we all dream of. And we can't forget about Kale. Kale is like the superhero of fall gardens. It's tough, versatile, and packed with nutrients. Plus, it's super easy to grow. Whether you want to sod it, toss it in a salad, or make some crunchy kale chips, you'll be glad you planted it. Kale loves the cooler weather and will keep producing even as the temperatures drop. Give each plant some room to grow, and you'll have a continuous supply of fresh, leafy greens. See? Planning for a fall garden isn't as daunting as it seems. With just a bit of effort now, you'll be rewarded with a garden full of fresh, delicious produce come autumn. So go ahead, grab some seeds, get your hands a little dirty, and start your journey towards a fall harvest. Grow. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more gardening tips and tricks.